Wiring a blower safety switch in series means any open point stops the entire blower circuit immediately. When a blower safety switch is placed in series with the blower motor control, the switch must complete the single current path for the motor to run, so its state directly controls power flow. If the safety switch opens because of overheating, overcurrent, or a sensed fault, the blower loses power instantly and the motor stops, which protects downstream components. To test and maintain this system, isolate power, then use a sequential voltage check along the circuit to find where voltage disappears, starting at the supply and moving toward the blower. This identifies the open device without guessing. When replacing a safety switch, match its thermal or pressure trip characteristics to the original specification, so the protection behavior remains predictable and does not nuisance trip. For installation, ensure all terminations are tight, corrosion-free, and insulated to prevent intermittent opens that mimic failing switches. Finally, document switch locations and the test points used so subsequent technicians can repeat the same sequential checks quickly. 3 common issues are false trips from loose connections, failure to find the open due to not testing sequentially, and installing a replacement with incorrect trip characteristics. Loose connections create intermittent opens that stop the blower and cause confusing symptoms. So tighten and re-terminate suspect terminals and retest for stability. If a technician tests only at the ends of the circuit, they can miss the actual open, so always perform voltage checks step by step along each junction and device to isolate the open. Replacing a switch with different trip thresholds can cause either no protection or frequent shutdowns, so verify the new part matches the original rating and physical sensing method before final installation. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and real job photos that relate directly to wiring and safety topics.